Hey guys, today we are at Trackcross. Trackcross is new here to Utah in the SCCA here. Essentially what Trackcross is it's like autocross but on the big track. And lucky for us, all we're gonna do is we're gonna run the course. So we're gonna stop right before turn 1, go through a timer like autocross, run a full lap almost, and before the last turn of West Course here at Utah Motorsports Campus, we're gonna have another timer and come to a stop. So it's kind of like an autocross, but there's gonna be no cones on the course, which is really cool. So we have free reign of the course on what line we can take. Only difference is we don't use the front straight. We even use the back straight. You can go as fast as you can down the back straight. So what's cool about this is it's cheaper than NASA, and it's less abusive on your car than a NASA event. What you miss out on is full 20-minute sessions and wheel-to-wheel racing. To some, that might be scary. I kind of like the wheel-to-wheel stuff with other cars on track. I mean, not wheel-to-wheel racing, but you know, having other cars on track adds another dynamic to your driving. But then on the other side, you don't have anyone slowing you down your times if you're going for a fast time. It should be very interesting, and we're gonna have a lot of fun. But while we're waiting for everyone to get settled in, everyone's here super early, so we're gonna go check out some of the cars and everything going on right now. So gonna ask the owner if we could race for pinks. Might not win, but you never know. I mean, can you imagine? 911 GT3 RS. Look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at this. This is cool. I like these. Got Tracy's Mustang here. GT350. I think I've done HPD with this guy before. This Miata's in my class. Majority of my class is all Miatas actually, except for this Subaru here. This Subaru is also my class. Rocking some RSRRs I see. Some Federals, yeah! Got some Rotang. The new Nemesis. What class are you in today?
Street 2.
Oh cool, you won't beat me then. What class are you in?
2 or 2.
Oh, okay, you're one ahead of me, cool. I'll see you out on grid. Look at how immaculate this BMW is. It's even got little sticky falcons on it. Wow. And here's Kevin's Lamborghini 911. You know how funny would that be? Put some Lamborghini badges on it just to throw people off that don't know about cars. That sounds nasty. Here's another one. And here's another one. And there's another LS. This thing's gonna be super fast. Michael's BMW. No one I can't wait to see how it does. Sometimes it sets. This is cool. I haven't seen this guy before. And then this is David's MR2, setting nearly fastest time of the day last Sunday. We'll see how it does here. Another Miata.
Yeah, pretty good, man. Alright, it was fun, huh? What did they say everything?
This is gonna be fun to watch go down the track. Looking forward to that. This thing's just awesome. Yes. I was worried there weren't going to be any like basic like commuter cars, but there is, and I can't wait to see how it does. Alright, we should be starting soon. I'm kind of excited to see how the car does with the new camber. And I found out after the last autocross video, the day after I checked my alignment, and my rear toe was out like almost a full degree, which tends to make it oversteer because the rear wheels are pointing outwards, made the car slide everywhere. So now I got that dialed in. It's not, the alignment's straight, but I somehow managed to get the wheel crooked. I'm kind of frustrated, but we did that alignment really fast in the alignment rack today. So we'll see how it does. I'll just remember that it's driving straight. We're good. We're good. All right, we're up in grid. This is going to be kind of an easy lap because I need some heat in these tires. It's gonna be interesting because NASA usually get a pace lap. I can warm up the tires on course and then send it. But now I don't have that warm up lap, so we'll kind of see how this goes. Hopefully they keep heat in between runs. I'm not sure how long it's gonna take to get to my next run.
I know you'll catch it. Go get it.
That was interesting. Tires need some heat, obviously. Brakes feel good after half of the lap. A lot more tendency to oversteer still, but it could be because of the cold tires. So we'll see how this next lap goes on. I got some heat in them. So this is an interesting group of cars in my class. Subaru going now is in T3 with me, and this Miata here is also in T3. And usually he spanks me at autocross because he's fast, really. But he also usually runs slicks. So I think we got a little more of an even playing field, and I got a little more power, so I might actually have a chance. Braking right there. Oh, that was going really good. I just trail braked a little too hard into that one. Put a little too much weight over the front axle. I think I took good photos of everyone. I just would have showed you my favorite ones. But I've really got to go to the bathroom. Hopefully these are unlocked. And I don't know why I took the camera with me for this. Maybe we'll make a Patreon video, and if you guys pay for my Patreon, you can watch me pee. I don't think they'll do very well. Rednecks be like, this is the best part of the racetrack, the whole quarter mile. Sorry about that, guys. I had the camera pointed up a little bit, so all it did with the spot meter on just glare. That one felt good, so let's see how we do here. car feels amazing. Literally, the only thing is this steering wheel not being straight. Car feels great. Front grip feels amazing. Brakes feel amazing. Funny enough, the harness holds me in great until I have to brake really hard. Alright guys, so Trackcross was really fun. Went really fast actually. There was some issues that were ironed out throughout the day. But this is the first time we've done this as the SCCA doing this. So that's expected to happen. Following that, I don't know what times I've gotten. The timer was in a spot I couldn't really see. People were standing all around it. So I don't know how I did. I looked at the time. People were just writing down the times. I don't think they're being uploaded into the computer. But looking at it, my fastest in the morning or early afternoon was a 97-second run, which is a minute 37. It sounds like the Miatas were doing about the same, and I think they set a way faster time the second session. I don't know what I did second session, but I felt really good second session, so we'll have to see. Anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.